Hey
What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. KK and Ski. We finna go hit up Best Buy, get my stream deck. You know, more streams coming soon. Content. I'm working.
Yep. I know we haven't really been posting. We've been being parents, but we back.
I come with a lot. I ain't gonna lie, bro. But next time y'all see us, we gonna be at Best Buy.
Yeah, we gotta go get some home stuff because we gotta fix up the room, basically. Go get some curtains and stuff.
Yeah, they got me doing family things, man. This is how we become.
What I say.
Yeah, don't get choked up by your game. This is what happens when you become a dad, right? Like, you gotta do certain shit. Like, certain shit. Just.
Yep, y'all. What we doing from here?
I'm picking up a stream deck.
A stream deck?
Yeah.
How you doing? Every time I come here, I be thinking that's what I was thinking.
You just a dweeb, bro.
You be smelling good up here.
I need a phone case, bro.
You keep saying get a phone case. Don't you got a phone case up here?
Yeah.
I do want to.
Somebody always wants
Yeah, I
something.
have a question, actually. So, y'all know how we...
Excuse me.
So, y'all, what y'all do when y'all, like, need something to calm y'all nerves? Like,
They can't see you.
Oh, so what y'all do to help with y'all, like, to calm y'all nerves, like a stress relief? For me, what calms me is coloring. So what's y'all think? I like to color. I like to write. So,
When do you write?
why would you do that?
I'm just saying, bro. Like,
I used to do
come
that.
in and just say anything, gang. You didn't get on the camera. You didn't get on the camera and say anything, bro. When do you write? She do color though.
Yeah, listen. I used to write like journaling. I used to write down my feelings and how I feel because I didn't know how to talk to people. Then they don't know that because I don't talk to people. That's the
Type
whole
shit.
point. Try to play on me just now, y'all.
Why we going in circles, bro?
I'm following you. I don't know my way around here. You wanted to come in, not me.
No. I gotta get these at a certain point.
And yeah, look at my damage. Never mind.
Do it.
Yeah.
It's scary. Let me go pick up my stuff, man. 'Cause she did the same to me. What? What?
Yeah, he had me the case.
That's not why I'm here for, real.
Let's do it. Whatever that is.
Stream deck.
Oh. So you obviously don't know what it is. Seriously.
But I also need a new pod, like a new pan pod for my camera.
Like that.
Yeah, like
With the
that.
mic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my face. Listen.
I always do this in big ass way.
That's what we're talking about.
I'm playing. She about to get drilled, chat. I said, chat, like I'm on stream.
They're trying to kill me in front for y'all. And that's why you're going to get beat up. Keep playing me. Every time.
Alright, let me get my spot, bro. I'm just looking at shit. Like, I gotta get back home to Sunshine.
And we got to go get stuff. Gotta get some curtains.
Mics. Some, like the mics I got. And some that I can.
Where is that?
That's all, I gotta pick it up. It's over here. I already ordered it already. This is what I need for our room. Some lights. I need it for my... Yeah, she popping that gun like that.
Stop popping that gun.
Alright, come on. She always complaining, man. That's why I don't like bringing her nowhere. See phone cases?
You can probably use mine.
It's Best Buy. Best Buy.
What is that?
You can be on the other side. Yours could be on the other side. Yeah. Man, I need to be taxing, bro. I ain't got time for that shit. I don't even have your shit. You probably gotta order it. Come on.
Not a big.
I just crashed.
I miss my baby.
I thought I lost my phone.
Here, get this. It's so weird. I don't want to.
I'm not buying no Slim Jim today. Well, next time y'all see us, we could be at Michael's getting some curtains. I'll go to Home Goods probably. Yeah. You feel me? Screen deck cop. Screen's about to go crazy. You feel me? Alive, man. About to go hit up Michael's right quick. I think, do Michael's even sell? I don't think Michael's sell. Yeah. I don't feel like driving. You're right here. Even though I gotta pass it up anyways. Right here? No, it's not. Next one. My bad, gang. Hot, bro. What you doing? Good morning. How you doing? I'm good, man. Thank you. Everybody be looking like you vlogging. Yeah, Halloween stuff out early. Come on, gang. This stuff out here early, bro. I don't think Michael's don't sell. I don't think Michael sells curtains. I think it's like an office place, yeah. Like, it is. I'm stupid. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. Oh my god. I'm a dweeb, gang. Like, come on, bro. Let's go. Wow, they got pods here. I think they got pods from here. See, I'll smack him.
Huh? Smack who? Smack me? Y'all, I'm hot. I'm tired. I'm ready to go.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm about to get my color book.
Who's getting her color book? It's embarrassing. I'm going to Home Goods.
We were to.
They got it at Home Goods too.
Alright, come on. Excuse us. I'm talking about my living room.
They got it at Home Goods, man. You made me come here for no reason, bro. Hey, that's aggravating. Listen. You made me come here for no reason.
Good luck with everything.
Other one.
Thank you.
Sweet. Some people think we stole.
I don't do that.
I didn't take it.
Don't embarrass me like that. And that's you saying that's not trying to embarrass me like I was stealing or something.
That's the day of my life, man.
I don't play like that. I'm scared of jail.
Like, what you was going for?
Or they might try to get my baby.
What?
They gonna try to get me in jail. Come on, man. What if I?
What?
What if I?
Over there. Vlog, like, oh wow, plug that. Oh, I'm tripping. I know somebody got me, gang. But now I gotta go to Home Goods. My dumb ass with the Michaels, bro. That's how you know. That's how you know I don't be buying like house shit for real. I think with the Michaels, bro.
Yeah, I know what Billy might.
The Loki blew me for real. Like,
Yeah, Lauren gonna go off this shit.
yeah, I think niggas stealing, bro. Nobody stealing.
Yeah, I'm sweating already.
Fuck, I'ma sell Michaels.
You niggas say, oh. They didn't care though, even if a nigga was, there ain't nobody stopped us.
Hold up, hold up. You feel me? We lit! We lit! We lit. I don't know what that was, but okay. Me finally caught my new stream deck. We about to go set this up. Well, I'm about to go set this up. I think she go set
I'm
it
gonna be
up.
on the stream with him tonight, y'all. I
Stream
know y'all
tonight,
be looking
you
for
feel
me. So yeah, I'm gonna be there.
But like, comment, subscribe, man. Join the Ski Family channel. I'm gonna put the link and shit down below. But
And don't forget to share it.
you feel me?
Show
Share
us
the
some
video,
love.
bro.
Show
We
us some
grinding right now. Ain't that right, KK?
Yep.
You know what I mean? But more vlogs coming. We got a vlog coming tomorrow. We
Sunday
got
funding.
Sunday fun day with the family, man.
And we're gonna have the baby also. Yes.
Yeah, we taking Ski out. I don't know if I'm showing my camera, but
We're gonna
Take it.
show him on camera, y'all. He's too cute not to be shown off. Like, we might, because they got some weird people out here, but
but
see y'all.
thanks for rocking with us. We out.